Overhead Door Corporation is a manufacturer of upward acting doors for residential and commercial spaces. Growth through acquisition has always been a big part of our strategy.
Bringing two large organizations together, having run on different platforms, different processes, different methods for managing day-to-day operational activities is very challenging. The company made a big, bold decision to re-platform and go through a significant digital transformation. We had core HR, payroll, and benefits running in a legacy J.D. Edwards platform. Now we've got an entire suite of HR capabilities that extended way beyond what we had, which was really very manual.
We knew we had to do something different. We'd been on our previous system for 20 years. So going with the cloud, we were able to take upgrades on a frequent basis. And now 90% of our onboarding has become digital, where people can complete before they even step into their role with us. We were able to deploy both manager self-service and employee self-service day one. We've had a 100% adoption rate. Oracle Cloud allows me to see our talent pool, help managers grow our employees into new roles, and leverage analytics to drive business decisions.
Oracle Cloud is the complete solution we needed in order to align our people strategy to our business strategy.